Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing La Organo's Moroccan hair range. They were kind enough to send me their products and they sent me their hair oil, their hair shampoo and their hair conditioner. So we have a full combo pack and I've been trying them for about a month now and honestly, I've made my mind about what I have to say about these products. So if you would like to know what these products feel like, then please continue watching the video. So we will, as always, judge the products on four bases. The first basis would be that what does the brand claim about the products? The second would be that how much of it was true.
जो कुछ कहूंगा सच कहूंगा और सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूंगा. So help me God. Proceed.
Third would be the price point, and the fourth would be my final verdict about the products, if you have to buy them or not. So let's get started. So the first product that we're going to talk about is their Moroccan Argan Oil. So they say that La Organo Moroccan Argan Oil is among the excellent moisturizing product which hydrates your hairs with completely natural extracts and essential oils made by a cold press process. Nice. And some of the ingredients that they have is Moroccan argan oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, carrot seed oil, onion, bhringraj, brahmi, olive, jojoba, coconut oil, aloe vera, amla, vitamin E, almond, castor, good hair, sesame, and a lot more. So I must say that the ingredients of the product is really nice and somewhat close to what I personally make at home. However, I don't add avocado and Moroccan argan oil and all of that. So they say that their product is moisturizing. That is the topmost claim, since they have Moroccan argan oil and avocado, which are both nourishing in property. However, this also has certain natural essential oils and some kind of fragrance which smells like Kyokarpan, honestly, which is not the kind of smell that I am personally fond of. However, I did talk to the person who approached me from the brand, and they said that it was done so that it becomes a pleasant experience for the people, because there are ingredients which may not smell so good and people may not like it. For example, onion extract and aloe vera extract. But they are very good ingredients in terms of nourishing your hair and your scalp, but they don't smell so good. So for that, to reduce that kind of smell, they've added these essential oils which give the smell of Kyokarpan. I don't know if you guys remember, or if you smelled it from your grandmother. Yeah. Personally, my experience with the product was decent, not something which I was blown away with, because honestly, it's very hard for me to go away from the oil that I personally infuse at home, because there's no oil that I have yet found which is able to work as good as that oil. You can see my hair has actually grown considerably and the quality is improving day by day. So yes, so but if you are one of those people who are very lazy and who do not have the time and the effort to grab all the ingredients, source them, and make your own oil, I think you can try this product and see for yourself, because the ingredient list is close to the ingredients that I put in my oil. In fact, there are a lot more ingredients in this particular oil than the oil that I particularly make at home. So if you're a lazy person, you can definitely try this out. This is priced at $4.99. So yes, if you want to try, you can go ahead with La Organo's Moroccan Argan Oil. So the next product that we want to talk about is their Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo. And yes, so we will first go through what the brand claims about the shampoo. So they say that this shampoo is non-greasy, hair cleaning, volumizing, hair shine, nourishing, strengthening, scalp cleaning, softening, dandruff treatment, travel friendly packaging. Yes, I must say about the packaging of the products. The packaging of the products is really sturdy. I've been using some other shampoos from reputed brands, but the packaging does not come close to one. It's extremely sturdy. And yeah, I mean, you can travel with it. It looks nice, it feels nice, and it will not leak. So yes, that's an added advantage. So non-greasy, yes, it is non-greasy. It cleans my scalp really well. It does not leave any kind of any kind of layer on my hair. Volumizing, I'm not sure because my hair generally is frizzy. It has helped me to reduce the frizz. However, my hair is generally not in the best situation right now and I'm working on it. So I'm not sure about volumizing. Hair shine, yes, it does leave some amount of shine. Again, dandruff treatment and strengthening, I'm not sure. I did not see any that kind of result, especially because I'm not suffering from dandruff as of now, so I cannot really say. Also, they say that this shampoo can be used by everyone with all the hair types, and I must agree because generally the ingredients are very nice: almond oil, silk protein, rosemary oil, jasmine oil, jojoba oil, and a lot of other good stuff. However, it is also sulfate and paraben free, which is a good point. I think the product is decent. It is priced at 449, so around 450. And yeah, so if you're looking for a decent product which will clean your scalp, which will maintain your hair health, so in case if you have some underlying deficiency or if you're going through hair loss because of a particular medical condition, in that case I wouldn't recommend this shampoo. But otherwise, if you're generally looking for a nice experience, a nice shampoo which will do its job, then it's a good shampoo. Also, they have given me a coupon code which all of my audience can use to avail a 10% discount. That will be on the video and also in the description for you to use. And the next product that we're going to talk about is, of course, the conditioner. I think I'm the most excited about this product in all the hair care ranges that I've ever used, because I feel that conditioners are really helpful, especially the kind of hair that I have. I really like to use conditioners and hair masks. I really dig them. So again, we're going to see what the brand speaks about their conditioner. So it claims that the hair conditioner is nourishing. It helps in hair growth, conditioning, volumizing, frizz control, hair shine, detangling, revitalizing, softening, and moisturizing. And and they also say that this product is also safe for daily use and for color treated hair for all hair types, men and women. All right. So some of the ingredients that they have is Moroccan argan oil, again, vitamin E, aloe vera extract, bhringraj, amla extract, good hair, glycerin, fragrance, and essential oils. Now I must say that the product is decent. My experience of this product was it does condition your hair. It does help in frizz control. It also helps to give that nice shine and that nice softening effect to the hair, especially if you have frizzy hair like me. Yes, so it helps in all of that. However, I'm not sure if it helps in hair regrowth or anything of that sorts. Again, it has no sulfates, no parabens, and it makes your hair softer. My only complaint with this product is that it does leave some amount of residue on your hair, because of which your hair can feel a little oily. So even after the wash, the hair feels as if you've applied some kind of oil. However, it does go away after 1 or 2 days. But yeah, that's the complaint that I have with the conditioner. Otherwise, it's a decent conditioner. Again, priced at 449, which means 450. So if you're looking for a conditioner which does its job well, which has no sulfates and no parabens, no mineral oil, and which helps you to have a little bit of shine on your hair, then I think this is a good product to have. Again, it is priced at 449, which means 450. Decent product in that range, and you get all three of these products for 1397, which means 1400, which I again feel is a decent price to pay considering the amount that you get, because the amount is 300 ml of each product, which I think is a decent amount of quantity because it does last you long. I've already used for a month and I'm not even gone 1/4 of the bottle yet. So yes, that says about the product, and I hope that this video helped you to make the right choice if you want to consider buying La Organo's Moroccan hair oil range or not. So if you want to buy any of these products, you can avail a 10% discount. Also, you guys, La Organo is currently running their Azadi sale, which means we get to avail 15% of discount over all their products. if we place an order above 299, which I think is a great deal, and they have a wide variety of products to choose from. So do check out their website. Also, I'm going to link all the products that I have personally tried in the description below, along with the coupon code, so that you can avail a special discount. So until next time, lots of love and grace, and please do consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. And until next time, bye bye.